Does everyone want pancake?
You got a pancake or Nutri-Grain?
Do you guys want pancake? You want Nutri-Grain?
Do you want pancake? Or... Just being Ivy.
Okay.
I'll have two, please. What time are you leaving us? Up to you.
Well, most shops open at 11, but some open at 10. So Zara opens at 11. The mall opens at 9, but
If you're back by 3 or so, I'll go get the rug for you.
I'll be back before that.
It's easy looking after the kids, so they like another holiday for me.
You're right. You're right. Good morning. Happy Sunday, everyone. Aalis ako today. Just me, myself, and I. Pero before that, lutuan muna natin ng pancake ang aking family. So, punta lang akong Burnside. I have been thinking kung saan ako pupunta. Kung sa Burnside ba or sa TTP ba. Dan even suggested city. But, I don't wanna go to the city, guys. Ayoko nang pumupunta ng city. Kung may kasama siguro, yeah. Pero kung ako lang mag-isa, city is too big, too busy. Parang mas ma-enjoy ko siya kung meron akong kasama. I just wanna go to a shop. Yeah, tapos shop. I wanna shop. Yeah, but then last night, naisip ko, ano bang bibilhin ko? Kasi baka magpunta na naman ako ng shops, tapos wala na naman akong mabili, wala na naman akong magustuhan sa mga itatry ko. At least meron akong mabili ba? So, inisip ko, bibili ako ng aking, yung Kerastase na serum. And I'm glad I checked, guys. Because hindi na siya ganun kadali mabili. Yung hindi ko nabili sa Mecca, the last time I went, kasi out of stock siya sa Burnside na Mecca shop. Hindi ko siya nabili dun. So, I ordered it online. Now, it's not available online anymore. It's out of stock. And it says na available daw siya sa Burnside na Mecca. So, yun yung pupuntahan ko. As soon as they open, I will go there and hopefully it's still there. Kasi hindi siya available sa ibang Mecca. Like, it's not available sa TTP. Kasi inisip ko, puntahan lang akong TTP, maraming shops. Tapos, okay naman dun. Kasi sa Burnside, inisip ko, Zara na naman. Though I love Zara, but like, you know, yun na naman talaga mapupuntahan ko. And the last time we went there, I didn't get anything. So, sabi ko, punta akong TTP. Pero yun, nung chinek ko yung Kerastase ko na serum, wala dun sa TTP. So, punta talaga akong Burnside ngayon. And hopefully, tama yung nasa website. Kasi last time, in stock yun sa website. But then, nung napunta tayo dun, wala nga siya. Hindi nga siya available. So, hopefully, accurate yung nasa website. Kasi sa lahat ng Burnside sa Adelaide, sa lahat ng Mecca sa Adelaide, sa Burnside lang may available. And I use the serum daily. Pakita ko sa inyo guys mamaya. Kasi kakagamit ko lang sa kanya. And I think na half ko na siya. Yeah, parang hindi pa ako umabot ng buwan. But because I use it daily, yun kasi yung recommendation. You have to use it every day. So, yeah, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung aking serum na gamit na gamit. So, after ko silang lutuan nito, mag-ready na ako. So, most shops open at 11 today. Yung iba open ng 10. So, I can go there. Oh, it's 9 na pala. So, after ko to lutuin, mag-ready ako. Tas alis siguro ako ng mga 10 or earlier, depende.
These are rainbow tongues.
Tongue? Oh, that's beautiful. Show the guys what you made.
These are rainbow tongues. And this is the Easter basket. This is lipstick. And this is my mama's heart.
Oh, it's so big and colorful. I love it. Thank you, Ayla. What do you want to watch, Alo?
Goodbye.
Tingnan nyo naman tong Ayla ko. I was putting Indy to sleep last night. So, umakyat na ako. Wala kasi silang specific bedtime last night. Sleep time ba? So, nasa baba lang sila. Noon sila TV. Tapos she was very busy doing all this for me. And then, she went upstairs. Tulog na ako, guys. I was already sleeping when you went upstairs to show me this. And she was sad. Nagising ako ng mga 12 kasi si Indy nagising ng 12. And she was still awake. And yeah, sabi niya, oh, I made this for you. Pero pag akit ko kanina, wala. Tulog ka na. But she made a big heart. Kung ano, lipstick daw. This is a lipstick, you said? A lip balm. I love it, baby.
And that's called a lipstick for the guys.
Oh, she just called it lipstick for the guys, but it's actually lip balm. I love it, baby. Thank you so much. She always makes stuff, as in, kung ano-ano na lang ginagawa niyan. But we love it kasi she's very creative, as in. Like, siya gumupit, siya nag-drawing niyan, siya nag-color, tas siya gumupit. May ano pa yan, may mga tape, siya nag-tape. So good. So good. Alo, are you sure you don't want pancakes? Are you sure? Because I've got some. Ha? Okay, that's it. Napatulog ko si Indy. Alis na ako. Here, my love, Indy.
Dada.
I'll go, my love. Bye.
What do mommy tell you?
Hello, bye, mate. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah. Be good to daddy, okay? And go to the toilet, okay? Good boy. Love you. Yes? Huh? Yeah, ask daddy. Daddy. Love you, baby. I'll go, okay? I'll just go to the doctor quickly. I'll be back, okay?
Is Daddy downstairs?
Yeah, he's in the other lounge. Love you.
Why does I the hot chocolate? I ate the hot chocolate last night and it tastes horrible.
Was it? Oh my gosh. It wasn't a good hot chocolate?
It tastes like coffee.
Do you want me to get you milk tea when I get home? I'll bring milk tea, okay?
Oh, send it here, so you don't have to walk.
No, it's okay because I'll just get it on my way home.
Oh, okay.
Okay, love you. Be good, okay? Thank you. Alright, we have money. Yep. Let's go, guys. Let's go to Burnside. So, 10:05. I think 10 ata mag-open yung Mecca or 11. Kailangan kong bumili ng regalo para sa mga teachers. I still don't know what to get.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike.
And I am here. No one's here. It's 10:20. Perfect. Dapat bahay na ako. Well, sabi ni Dan, take your time. Pero kapag nakauwi ako ng bahay before 3, which I'm pretty sure I'll be home before 3, kasi hindi naman ako magla-lunch dito, he can pick up a rug na in-order natin kahapon. So, let's go! Alright, ang goal today is just to calma yourself and just shop. Huwag mong isipin yung ibang mga bagay. Just do what makes you happy. Shopping! Ito lang yung bisyo ko, guys. Let's go. Kalma, kalma. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. Let's go. Dito ako sa Di Cuba. Try ko to. It's a tracksuit set. We'll see. Nakailang shops na ako. Wala pa ako nabibili. Punta tayo dito. Bilhin natin yung kailangan ko talaga. Ang ganda ng meka nila dito, guys. Malaki pati. Titingin-tingin ako ng mga maliliit, guys. Yung mga nakapack na. Tapos tig-isa-isa lang for the teachers. Kaya lang wala. Ano ba yan? Ang dami nilang stock dito ng serum, guys. As in, sa lahat ng meka sa Adelaide, ito lang yung meka na may stock. So, I got one. But ang dami pa nila dito. So, ito yung aking shampoo. At saka ito yung aking conditioner. Yung mask, hindi ko binili. Ito parang magandang pang regalo, guys, no? Para hindi ka na mag-isip, nandito na lahat. Tapos iba-iba pa yung flavor. Flavor, scent. Ayan. Paakyat ako ba? Yeah, yan yung itsura ng baba. Dala-dala ko na to kasi may check-out din sila dito sa taas. Dito na pala ako sa Zara, guys. Kanina pa ako dito. Pangalawang balik ko na to sa fitting room. Ito yung mga dala ko. Dala ko to kanina. I know I'm getting this. Same to ng coat na binili ko from them. Pero iba lang yung kulay. So, I'm getting that. Tapos ko nang bayaran. Look at this. This is my dream. Tanggal ka ba? Sure? Oh. Stop it. Hintayin tulong kay ate. Excuse me. Sorry. It's just not coming off. Still okay? Yeah, that's one. Thank you. Uniqlo tayo. Tapos na ako sa Zara. Alright, dito na tayo, guys, sa Uniqlo. Meron ako mga itatry. Sana may magustuhan tayo. Feeling ko sure tong ito. Kasi meron akong ganyan na gray, diba? Tapos gustong gusto ko ang ganda niyan. Tapos warm pa. Meron akong dark gray niyan. So, try natin yan. Tapos na ako sa damit, guys. Nagpunta ako dito sa Tony and Marks para tingnan yung mga gulay nila. And wala silang kangkong. Meron sila niyan, but feeling ko masisira siya before ko siya maluto. Ano to? Ano yan? Oregano. But yeah, I got zucchini and ampalaya. Ano ba yan? Kakain pa sana ako. May magpa-park agad sa aking spot. Ay, nako. Anyway, I'm on my way home. 1:18 pa lang ng hapon. Bumili ako sushi. Ang busy na naman. And hindi ako nakabili ng regalo para sa mga teacher. Ang hirap. Feeling ko yung best option kung sa Mecca talaga ako bibili is yung Sol de Janeiro na set. But the thing is, scent is very personal. Alam mo yun? I don't know. So I'm thinking, ano na lang, pagkain. Pagkain is always good, right? Like, a gift pack from Charlesworth. So, combination ng nuts and chocolates. Alam mo yun? I think I'll go for that. Yeah. So, nung dumaan ako ng Charlesworth nuts, nakita ko yung mga gift packs nila. And sabi ko, this is good. Like, you cannot go wrong with, nuts gift pack. Nuts and chocolates. So, yeah, yun yung inisip ko, yun na lang. Kaya lang, ayoko siyang bilhin ngayon kasi Wednesday pa naman siya gagamitin. We are Sunday today. Oh my gosh. Kailan ko yun mabibili? So good. Kain tayo, be. Gusto ko sanang pumapak ng sushi. Oh my gosh, ang aga ko. Hindi din ako nakaload ng laundry, guys. Nagmamadali ako kanina. Sunday pala ngayon. Binaba na kasi ni Dan, so hindi ko siya nakita. Hindi siya nakaharang sa mga dinadaanan ko kasi nilagay na talaga ni Dan sa laundry. Kagabi pa ata. Tapos nawala talaga siya sa isip ko. Si Dan kasi, sabi niya mag-enjoy ka lang ha. Take your time. So, yung iniisip ko tuloy, yun, Burnside, shopping. Hindi ko na naisip yung aking laundry. It felt good actually. I didn't go crazy. Akala ko I would go crazy with shopping, but I didn't. I did good. As usual. I'm good. Nung mga Wednesday ata yun, sabi kasi ni Dan, punta ka ng shops sa linggo. Ikaw lang mag-isa. Huwag mong dalhin yung mga bata. Just relax. Kasi na-witness niya na sobrang exhausted nga tayo lately. But Indy's getting better actually. Kasi feeling ko isa na lang yung papalabas. So, hindi na siguro siya ganun kasakit. So, kahapon I was gonna change my mind. I was like, hindi ko na kailangan mag-me time. Okay na ako kasi nga si Indy okay na. But then Dan said, no, go. Naplano na natin yan. And then yeah, he's really good. Sabi niya, take your time. Don't think about the kids. They're fine. Plus now, I'm not even gone for a long time. Like, I left just before 10. And ngayon, 1:20 pa lang. Tapos na kasi ako. Ano naman gagawin ko dun? Ay, anyhow. Minsan kailangan talaga me time. And kapag nag-me time ako, I always do shopping. Or kahit na hindi shopping, kahit na wala kang bilhin, just go to the mall, window shopping. Kasi yun lang naman yung bisyo ko eh. Hindi naman ako mahilig magpa-party-party. Hindi naman ako nagka-club. Yeah, so kapag me time, shopping talaga. Or mall talaga ba? Kasi kapag family time, iba naman yun. Winery or... Oh my gosh, do we have to... Tapos si Miss pupuntang Japan, 'di ba? Itong buang. Sabi niya, "Punta kasama ka sa amin, ihon mo yung mga bata." Hindi ko 'yan kaya. Para na nga ako mabubuang kung maiwan ko ng ilang oras. Hindi ko kaya 'yan. Hindi ko pa kaya 'yan. Kasi kapag bakasyon, mas masaya ako kapag kasama yung mga bata. Mahirap, but iba yung saya din talaga. Kasi sabi ni Miss, "Sama ka sa amin. Iwan mo yung mga bata." Iwan yung mga bata. My gosh, can you imagine? I cannot.
I hope you enjoyed it, Mama.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yay!
I'm
I'm happy with you, yes.
What do you do?
I got peanuts for you. Oh, hello!
Did he get me roti?
Well, I'm going to get the rug anyway, so I can get that.
Ooh, Daddy will get it for you. You finished your food?
What was your food?
Oh my gosh, you're doing all the right things.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Oh. Hello, beautiful. Miss me. I've got spicy, one spicy and one sugared peanuts. Did you miss mommy? One, two, three. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, we'll do paper.
Okay, I'll do paper. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, you won. What? All right.
This is scissors.
Your daddy, I got
This is
you.
scissors, Mama. But this is scissors.
You wanted 3, yeah?
But this is scissors. That's me. That's me.
Okay, I got you a really good selection, Mama.
John.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You know, nuts.
I give you sauces, yeah.
Yeah.
That's chocolate.
I got peanuts for you. Do you want some?
Mama.
Hello,
And that's chocolate.
Did you miss me?
That's chocolate.
Did you miss Mama?
Yeah, here's some chocolate. That's not chocolate, it's sushi.
I'm thinking maybe just get Charlesworth gift pack for the teachers. Is that good?
Oh, you get it today or not? You haven't got it yet?
No.
No.
I have
Because-
a key ring. You gotta come.
Yeah, you already opened it.
Thank you, Mom.
Huh?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, baby.
You're the best ever.
Aw, you're the best ever, Alo.
Yeah.
I love you.
Yummy Dada.
Did you have a good day, Alo?
Yeah, I do.
Mm-hmm.
You're yummy, Mama.
You get car park easy?
Oh yeah. It's good going there early.
That's my whole library. I have empty, Mama.
Mm-hmm. Indy loves you too, yeah?
Yeah. What do you mean? Don't change the mean, Daddy.
Tea first and then the run.
What do you mean today? What do you mean?
Where's Daddy's pants?
What do you mean, Daddy? Daddy, what do you mean?
Yesterday, Rob.
Then what do you mean, Daddy?
Well, let's tell them where it is.
No. No, not the pants.
Say wear pants, Dada.
Daddy, no, no pants. The pants? No.
It's okay, he will wear pants. He's gonna take a shower, he'll wear pants.
They have real pants?
You will go back to the rug shop, Alo.
What?
You will pick up our rug, the one that we chose yesterday. Is that a good idea? Wait, Indy. Sorry, baby, you can't have it. It's spicy. Huh?
What? Daddy pants.
Alis sila, guys.
What's in this movie?
Where are you going?
I think the end.
Disneyland?
Yes.
Oi, fix your pants. Fix your pants. Can you help him with his pants, Ayla?
I can spin it.
Can you help him with his pants, please? Help him with his pants.
Oh, no.
Alis sila, kunin nila yung rug. Pero punta muna silang milk
Guys, do
tea.
you want to see a cool trick?
Okay. Oh, wow. That's a very cool trick. Very good.
I got my gift disappear, guys. Close your eyes. Rig, I'm done wrong. Snake. This here.
Go to daddy. Can you fix his pants, babe?
Make it disappear. Back. Ta-da.
Go, ate. Bye! Thank you. See you later. Hindi ka kasama, babe. Huwag kang sumama. Hindi kasi magkasya sa... Ay! Bye, Alo! Go, it's okay. They won't leave you. Just grab a toy. What toy do you want to bring? Dinosaur?
No.
What toy do you want to bring?
Talk.
Okay. Bye, I love you. So they need to take daddy's car. Wala mang car seat doon for you. So iwan ka. Hindi ko nga in-expect na dadalhin niya yung dalawa eh. Sabi niya, dalhin ko yung dalawa para pag natulog si Indy, makakatulog ka. Sus naman talaga si daddy naman talaga today. Grabe naman talaga si daddy today. Let's do a haul. So from Mecca, isa lang yung binili natin. Nakita nyo na. Tapos binigyan ako ni ate ng bag from Kerastas kasi every Kerastas purchase daw meron kang bag. Ito yung serum na gamit-gamit ko ngayon, guys. Sa instruction kasi, sabi, you have to apply it every day for 60 days to see the results. So yung akin, guys, as in parang gitna na ako or basta. Kasi nga araw-araw ko siyang ginagamit. Tapos sabi pa, 4 doses a day. I don't even use 4 doses. Kasi ang dami. Not this one. I'll give you the bag. Babasagin man yan. Dahil, oh. Okay? Bye! Alright guys, bilisan natin ng haul. Tulog na si Indy. So ito, dinala ko yung Kerastas ko na serum. See? I'm actually less than halfway na. Yan. Tapos I started using it. Wait, nilagay ko siya sa calendar ko eh. Kasi para alam ko kung kailan yung 60 days. Asa na yun? So I started on the 17th of June. We are 29th of June now. So ano pa lang siya, guys? Wala pang 2 weeks. Magto 2 weeks pa ako sa Tuesday. And ganito na kadami yung nagubos ko. It's $99 per bottle. But feeling ko kasi okay siya. Feeling ko lang. Gusto kong matapos yung 60 days. And for me to do that, I need to add more because obviously hindi to aabot ng 60 days. Wala pa nga akong 2 weeks pala. Anyway, madami akong shops na pinuntahan pero yung nabilhan ko lang is yun Mecca, Zara, Uniqlo, And, yeah, yun lang. Tapos ito pala, may binigay na mga damit. Kliyente ni Dan, binigyan ng mga damit yung mga bata. So, this is for Arlo. And this is for Indy. Ang cute, diba? Para ma-include ko sa laundry. Leggings for Ayla. A top for Ayla. Ito para kay Indy naman. Ito for Ayla din. Alright, so from Uniqlo, isa lang yung ay, la. Nandito yung aking zucchini at saka yung aking yung ampalaya at zucchini ko. Hindi ko na pinalagay sa bag kasi marami naman akong bags. Sa Uniqlo, we only got one thing. Meron ako ng dark gray or nung charcoal and gustong-gusto ko siya guys kasi kahit knit yung material niya, hindi siya makate sa ilalim. Ito makate to. I think I got this from Supre but it's just a black turtleneck. Makapal din siya but medyo makate lang yung loob niya. Ito as in wala talagang kate and it's warm. Meron sila iba-ibang kulay na to. Ito yung kanilang women's souffle yarn high neck sweater. So, meron ako nung, again, yung charcoal, yung dark gray, at saka now I got this. Kasi nasa color analysis ko to eh. But yeah, this is really nice. Tapos mas mura din siya compared sa Zara. Kasi meron akong tinry sa Zara. Tinry ko siya last time actually. Pero hindi ko siya binili. Kanina tinry ko din siya ulit. Kaya lang hindi ko siya binili. Kasi hindi siya nakasale. Nung tinry ko siya, akala ko nakasale siya. After ko siyang itry, chinek ko ulit yung tag. Hindi nakasale yung tag. It's like $79 for that one. This is way better. Way better quality. And mas mura din siya. $50 to. Yun is, I think, $69.70. Now sa Zara, konti lang talaga guys. Ito lang. Dalawa lang yung nabili ko sa Zara. Ito nakita ko, ang perfect nito. Naghahanap ako ng long sleeve na hindi mahaba. So hindi siya crop, but hindi din siya sobrang haba. So perfect lang siya pang inner, tapos hindi din high neck. This is on sale. So from $24, $16 na lang siya. And wala na ako nakitang ibang kulay dun. So, ito na lang isa yung kinuha ko. And then, the coat. Same coat nung binili natin last time. But I just got the charcoal na kulay. Ito hindi din nakasale. But, okay lang kasi alam kong magagamit ko siyang bongga. Hindi ito sobrang makapal na coat, guys ha. But I like it because hindi siya mabigat. Tapos, ang dali niya lang suotin. So, just layer up sa inner. Kasi hindi siya ganun kakapal, hindi siya ganun ka-warm. But then again, okay lang kasi hindi din siya ganun ka-bigat. So yung pangalan pala nito is, I think, soft coat. Yung pangalan nito, soft coat. Yun lang. Let's go upstairs and lay down and hopefully makatulog ako. She's up?
Good carpet, Ali?
Oh, do you have this?
Oh.
Mommy, where are the tables? Where are the tables? Thank you, Mom, Dad. Thank you, Mom, and Dad. We love it. We are so nice. And now I can do my ears cookie. Puppy, I can get you that.
It is fluffy.
The baby. Mama, do this.
Is that washing
You
machine?
use it. Oh.
Yeah.
You.
Where is Indy? Indy! Tingnan niyo yun yung mga gusto niya. Yung mga hindi toy. Yung mga gamit sa bahay. Is that nice? You like that one? Indy! Oh my God, you're so fast! Indy! Indy! Hello! Come here. Oh, hello! going? Hindi. Oh, hello! Where are you? Hindi! Ba! Hello! You like it? Okay, I'm gonna hide. Go find Mama. Where's Mommy? Papunta siya. Where's Mommy? She's stuck. Oh no. Keep going, keep going. Where's Mommy? Reverse, reverse. You found me. Good job. You stuck. Sorry. There you go. Where's Mommy? Oh, hello! Hi! Bilis mo na, B. Oh no, oh no! Oh no! You're fast, Bubbers! You're quick, girl! Oh no! Bah! Mommy will eat. Lumpia na naman niya. Meron akong suka dito, tapos meron akong ketchup para sa pork. Tapos yung suka is para sa gulay. Yung mga anak ko nasa kabilang lounge kumakain ng meatballs and chips. Let's eat. Oh my gosh, ang init. Kain tayo, guys. Din din.
Sorry?
Sarap. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Buyag. Wow.
As we hold each other